What's up, guys? If you have a Denago electric golf cart and you want to turn off the backup beeper that's so annoying that most people do not want, for the Rover model that doesn't have settings, that you can access, you have to go underneath the rear here. So just lay down and go underneath, and I'll show you where it is. Underneath the rear. Underneath the rear end, just look straight up next to this giant power inverter. That little bitty box, this little box right here, a little bitty thing, it just has a connector that holds it in place. Just disconnect it, and then you can zip tie the pigtail up, up a little bit higher. And that's all there is to it. Just remove it, basically. No big deal. Check out our channel. We got other videos going on. We got over 2,000 videos relating to golf carts, cars, dirt bikes, ATVs, scooters, hot rods, new cars, old cars, stuff around the house. And if our video helped you out, make sure you click the thanks button that's underneath the video screen, and please send a donation. We really appreciate it. You'll have a great day.